In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting. Zoom has become an essential tool for virtual meetings and gatherings, whether you're connecting with colleagues, friends, or family. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in navigating the process of joining a Zoom meeting. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your email. This is usually where you'll receive your Zoom meeting invitation, and for most of us, this is one of the easiest ways to access the meeting information. Open your preferred email application or website where you typically check your messages. Once you're in your inbox, scan through to find the email invitation for the Zoom meeting. Once you've located the invitation email, go ahead and click on it to open the message. This step is important because the email will contain crucial details such as the meeting link, meeting ID, and possibly the passcode. These details are essential for gaining access to the Zoom meeting. You may need to scroll down a bit to see the entire content of the email, and it might be helpful at this point to ensure that all links and text are fully loaded so you won't miss anything pertinent. Next, within the invitation email, look for a link or a specific set of instructions. Typically, the most straightforward method is to click on the provided link, which should direct you straight to the Zoom meeting. Alternatively, you might see a meeting ID and passcode, which can be used manually if clicking the link does not work, or if you're joining from a different device. Keep in mind that having these details handy ensures that, even if technical issues arise, you have a backup plan to join. Once you have accessed the meeting link or noted down the meeting ID and passcode, you'll want to go back to your Zoom application or browser. Ensure that you are logged into Zoom, as this will simplify the joining process and may provide additional functionalities within the meeting. If you're not logged in, take a moment to do so using your Zoom account. Now, you'll be ready to join the meeting. On the Zoom home screen, locate and click on the Join button. It's usually prominently displayed for ease of access. This will open a prompt where you can input the meeting ID or personal link name. Simply enter these details accurately to proceed. If a passcode is required, you'll be prompted to enter it after inputting the meeting ID or personal link name. And that's it! Once you've entered the correct information, you'll be admitted into the Zoom meeting where you can interact and communicate seamlessly. Joining a Zoom meeting is straightforward once you're familiar with the steps. We hope this guide helped you understand how to join a meeting with ease. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you have a fantastic meeting experience.